Chalo. So what is the last lecture?
Serial communication.
Yes, serial communication, and based on that one program was there. We have seen that, but transfer the message welcome, correct? And with that, we have finished the chapter number 2. Now we'll start with the chapter number 3, which is very easy and very short. That is called as the microcontroller programming. Programming of the microcontroller. Chalo, write down that. We'll go with that only without wasting the time. Write down unit number 3, programming of microcontroller. And most of the programs we have seen in the chapter 2 itself also. Still we'll revise that. We'll go with the that code in this chapter also. What about assignment deadline? कधी सांगितलं सबमिट करायला assignment? Hello. Hello. Assignment कधी submit करा सांगितलंय? Once 1 week is completed. And how many questions are there in the assignment 2? Somebody can reply. Saili, Nandwe. Saili, is it audible? Krishna?
Yes, sir.
How many questions are there in assignment number 2? Okay, so out of that only write 10 questions. It's assignment actually 2 is a large one, but pick up the only important 10 questions. Please don't write very small questions in that 10. It's for you only. So try to use theoretical questions and important question from that assignment, and write 10 questions in assignment only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And please submit it. Actually, deadline is over on that. Please submit as early as possible. Okay. Chalo. Have you written the unit number 3, programming of the controller? Have you written the title?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, next. Okay, so these are the outlines of the chapter. So you can say syllabus of our chapter number 3. So important to talk about what is the mentioned in that. What are the mechanics for the programming? Basically, we have the 2 types of programming. One is called as assembly language, another is called as C language. Okay, so out of that, these 2, we are focusing on the assembly, and then we have some sort of the code on this C language also. Okay, so we'll compare that what is meant by assembly language and the C language. So one is called as a low language and other is called as high level, and why it is so. We'll see actually in that little part of that. Okay, then we have the serial port. As we've seen, this code we have seen in the chapter 2 itself, if we talk about. So by using the SBUF and the SCON registers, how to code the controller and how we are perform the serial communication between 8051 and the other peripherals. Okay, this actually we have seen. And timer programming, inter-programming, this part also we have seen. Still will revise it in the chapter also. Then interfacing of the various switches, LEDs, and the relay buzzer to particular pin, and what happens when that hardware interrupt occurs. That part we have to see in this chapter. So basically, the chapter deals with the small interfacing of the LED and the programming for the on-chip peripherals, what is in the 8051. Understood? What is syllabus is there in that? So hereafter we'll not focus much in writing. What are the important points are there? We'll talk on that. Okay? Because already we are in lagging. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then as per that, we have the MCQ assignment questions already. It is given to you. Please focus on the MCQ questions. If some question is not able to solve, please remind me. We'll focus on that if you not understood that. Then C 3.3 is about title of chapter. So chapter name we have written here. Chapter name consists of programming of the microcontroller. And in brief, we'll see the it's what is meaning of the programming of the microcontroller. Can someone can tell me what is meaning of programming? कोणाला माहिती आहे meaning programming चं काय आहे? Most of the thing we have in chapter 2 also. What is programming? कोण सांगू शकते? Let it be wrong, doesn't matter. We should not hesitate about that. We should not afraid about that. कोण सांगू शकते? What is meaning of programming? What is in the programming? काय लिहितो आपण त्यामध्ये? It has instructions. किती असतात त्यामध्ये? We can say it is set of instructions. Correct. Set म्हणजे किती असतात? It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 as per the what is the code or what is the application for we are writing the program. Okay. So simple definition काय म्हणू शकतो आपण programming? It is a set of codes or instruction or command returned to the 8051 to run particular application. If we talk about simple addition करायची आपल्याला, so we have the set of 3-4 instructions that will perform the addition. So how will define programming? Set of instruction or line or the code written for a particular application of 8051. Understood? Write down then. Programming dash. It is a set of instruction or code or line. It is set of instruction, code or line written for a particular application of 8051. Is written for a particular application of the 8051. Done? Is it done? Hello. I will repeat one more time. Programming means what? Dash. It is set of instruction or code or line written to the particular application of 8051. Over? Somebody reply fast.
Yes, sir, over.
Okay. After that, for example, you can write what is meaning of, for example, programming addition of the two 8-bit numbers. This will be the one problem statement and we're writing code for that. For example, making the addition of the two 8-bit numbers. So by using the C or assembly, we can write this code. Like for example, making the addition of two 8-bit numbers. Done. Second word, what is written? Microcontroller. So what is meaning of microcontroller? In the title of subject also is in that. If you segregate these two words, microcontroller. Why the meaning name is given micro? If you observe that title of subject, त्यामध्ये आपण लिहिलेलं आहे microcontroller applications. Micro means what? Very small, tiny. Okay. And controller is what? A semiconductor chip driven by the set of instruction. When input is given, it provides the output. लिहिले का असं काय आपण definition in chapter subject title मध्ये? आठवतंय?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Still write down. Micro dash. So you can segregate these words. Microcontroller in that. Micro dash tiny, small chip, we can say micro dash small tiny chip, CHIP, yeah, chip. Then controller dash controller dash, कौन सा था definition? It is a controller. It is a semiconductor chip clock driven device. It is semiconductor chip clock driven device. Write down. It is semiconductor chip clock driven we can say clock driven device provides the desired output for a given input. It is a semiconductor chip clock driven device provides desired output for the given input. Done? Written? Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
The next part is what? C 3.4 central idea of chapter. So what is syllabus is there? So these things we are going to learn means what? Exactly what is meaning of arithmetic, assembly language programming, that is called as ALP, and C language programming, which is the better and why we are choosing for that. And then we have the various programming for the serial communication interrupts, LED buttons, switches, toggling the port, generation of the scare waves by using the TMOD timers. That thing we have to see in this chapter. And why this chapter is important for you people? As we know that you are the third students and we have the subject MCA. And in the chapter 1 and 2, we have seen the basics of the controller architecture of that and various instruction which will understand by the controller. Okay. And then to have the particular application to be run by using the 8051 controller, we have to write down the programming language for that. Okay. So once the programming language is written, how the process will be there, I will tell here only. So what is the code we are writing in particular example? For example, also addition of that to 8-bit numbers. We're writing the Keil software. Once Keil software code is written, we're taking the hex file of that. So how to build the hex file, all this I'll show in that Keil software. That file we are using to burn in that 8051 IC through the Flash Magic software is there. So we needed the hardware IC and that IC burner for that. Okay, so here the place is there to put the IC and we can import that binary file and we can insert into the ROM memory of that 8051. So once that code hex file is burn means what? That is programming in that ROM memory of the 8051. After that, the control belongs means it will start the performing the addition and that result will show in the accumulator. Or if you write the code for the toggling the port at the portal pin number, we can see the high-low signal will be generated in the hardware of the IC. That is meaning of that. Okay, then we have the outcomes of the chapter. So at the end of the chapter, students will able to write arithmetic, not arithmetic only, sim language and the C language program for the various applications. And application कुठले आहेत? Toggling the port, writing interrupt generation. Then we have to perform the serial communication, making the successive addition, data exchange, block transfer. Too many applications are there. For example, it's in the A plus B bracket square, write code for that, A minus B bracket square for that. Okay, so the outcome is what? At the end of the chapter, students means you all the students should able to write the ASIM language code for the various applications. That is the outcome for that. Sure. So without wasting time, we'll go to the our next point. So what is meaning of high level language? Okay. So what are the developments are going in the software? All these softwares were developing with the help of the higher level language, and that languages are always going to be machine independent. म्हणजे कुठल्या हार्डवेअर साठी आपण कोड लिहितोय ते त्याला माहित नसतंय. ओके, सो दॅट लँग्वेजेस कुठल्या आहेत ते? सो वी हॅव दी C, C++, Java, .NET, Oracle. All these languages we are taking under the high level languages. Okay, and if you see, all these languages can be portable to the one processor to the other processor. That's why means what? This is machine independent. म्हणजे आपण जो कोड लिहिला आहे, it can run on the one of the PC, it can run on the other PC also. It may be Linux, it may be the i3, i5, i7, any series. Means it is a machine independent. Machine means what here? Either it is microcontroller or the microprocessor. That is meaning of the high level language. Okay, so once code is written in the high language, म्हणजे कुठल्या language मध्ये? Either I am writing the C, C++, Java, Oracle, .NET, काय असेल ते, C#. Okay, that is high language. But controller always understand the machine language only. So I'll show some part here. We have the two terminologies that is called as compiler and the assembler. That is very important as a exam point of the consider, and that is a oral point of this also. Okay, suppose this is my 8051. Okay, so I'm writing the languages for these two 8051. Either I have the ALP. ALP is what? Assembly language programming. Okay, so assembly मध्ये काय करतो आपण? So rather than saying it is high level, I can say high level programming. P for the programming. This is assembly language programming. So in the assembly language, we have this set of the syntax: move a comma #05. Okay, but as we know that this controller always understand only one language, that is called as a machine language. And कुठली असते machine language? कुठली असते machine language? As I said that what? Hex file. Hex file मध्ये काय असते data? Binary data. So only binary data is understood by the 8051. Okay, so what is the language coming? The syntax. Okay, so how this syntax should be converted into the machine level? Are you getting these things what I'm saying? To run the application, I am writing the program in the two languages. One is called as a assembly language, and that is a machine dependent. Machine dependent means what? For particular 8051, we have the fixed syntaxes, and that syntax will be applicable to the 8051. Means what is code written in this, it is not applicable to the 8085 or 8086. Means this code is applicable to the this control only 8051. That is machine dependent. And machine independent high level language means I'm writing the code in the C language. It can be used for the 8051, 8085, 8086, or any other embedded processor also. That is machine independent. Irrespective of any controller, I can write the code in the assembly. So it is a portable to the one controller to the other controller. Understood up till now? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. आता मी काय सांगतोय? 8051 only understand the machine level language. Machine म्हणजे कुठले असते? Binary format. म्हणजे काय? 101011 any data. But I am writing code in the either assembly or the high level. High level means what? C, C++, Java. Mostly we are writing code in the C++ only for 8051. Okay. मग हे तुला कळणार आहे का 8051 ला? नाही कळणार. The same instruction आहे how to write in the C language. I'll put the syntax here. Simply काय define करायचं आहे? Unsigned. It's an unsigned character अनसेंड कॅरेक्टर ए, हे पहिले डिफाईन करणे गरजेचं आहे आपल्याला. कशामध्ये? सी लँग्वेज मध्ये. आणि काय करायचं आहे? ए गेट्स व्हॅल्यू 0x05, म्हणजे ह्या इन्स्ट्रक्शनचं मिनिंग सी मध्ये म्हणलेलं आहे. तर सी मध्ये काय, ए ला काय भेटेल मला? 05. इथे रनिंग काय होते? ए कॉमा हॅश 5 म्हणजे ए गेट्स व्हॅल्यू 5. दॅट इज इन द असेंबली लँग्वेज. Mu is written, that is called as a mnemonics, indicates that transfer of this 05 into accumulator. Okay. Okay. One notice is for you. How many of you written the enter-ragging form? Have you submitted voter registration and the enter-ragging? Please try to understand these things are important as a college point of view, and all of you. Please submit it before 11 p.m. Otherwise, I'll put the absent. This is notice from the HOD and the CC. Okay. Those are remaining. That is instruction from my side also. Please submit the voter registration details as well as the enter-ragging form as Google form is mentioned. So hereafter, unless you will not submit that forms, particular students will be absent for all the lectures. Okay, please submit. Okay. काय सांगतो आपण? When you write the code in the assembly language, mu a comma 5 is be like this. Okay, so a will get the value 5. How to write in the C language? So we have to define one variable, that is a unsigned character a. And कसं लिहायचं आहे? A gets value 5 and curly bracket complete. So simple is there. That is not difficult in writing the C. We'll see that also. But my intention is what here? As this is assembly language code, this is C. Control only understand machine language. Okay. So what is the code written in the assembly or the C? To convert that code into the machine language, we need to have converters, that is called as a assembler. So this assembler converts assembly program into कशामध्ये? Binary or machine. Machine म्हणजे कुठलं? Binary language आहे ते. Machine language. Understood first terminology? What is assembler? Assembler is a device which converts assembly language code into the binary or machine language of the 8051. That is, we need the assemblers, and all the assemblers is there in the, or what is the software we are using for that? That is the software tool. Assembler, compiler, linker, debugger, all these things. Once we'll see, going to learn embedded system next time आहे आपण बघूया त्यामध्ये हे सगळे टर्मिनॉलॉजी असतात. बर, असेंबलर कळलं सर्वांना? अंडरस्टूड? कृष्णा, महेश आला का? महेश जॉईन केलं का? वैष्णवी?
Yes, sir.
Have we got the definition of assembler? Why we need? I'll repeat one more time. We're writing code, most of the code in the assembly language. Okay, that is move all the by syntaxes. But 8051 understands only machine language. Machine म्हणजे कुठले असते? Binary. To convert that code into the machine language, we need the assembler. And all this assembler will be available in the, what is the software I'm using here? Keil software. In that, software tools are available. So function of assembler is what? Convert assembly language into the machine language or the binary language. Understood? Vaishnavi, Saili.
Yes, sir, understood.
लिहून घ्या लगेच खाली मग. Assembler dash. Assembler dash. It is a device which converts. It is a device which converts assembly language code. Assembly language code into binary language or machine language. It is a device which converts assembly code or assembly language code into binary language, which converts into binary language. Done? Return. Next we have what? High level language codes. जेव्हा आपण code writing the C language, we need the compiler. So what is compiler? Compiler same. Compiler is a device which converts high level language, that is C, C++, into machine level language. So जेव्हा आपण code C मध्ये लिहू, we need the compilers to convert high level language into the machine level. Assembly असेल तर assembler यूज करायचं. Got it? Compiler काय करतं? External question asked like this in exam also. MCQ test will be there. What is need of the compiler? Options: convert assembly to the machine level, high level to the machine level, C to the machine level, none. Sorry, not none. Option B and the C. So B and the C will be correct. High level and the C language converted to the machine level. Got it? Meaning of compiler definition.
Yes, sir.
Write down below that. Compiler dash device which converts, compiler dash device which converts high level language or C, C++ into machine level language. C, C++ or C, C++ into machine level or binary language. I don't understand. 8051 only understand the binary format or hex format. So what is the code written? By default, automatically in the software converted into this format only. And that file I am uploading in hardware. Done. कळलं सर्वांना आता assembly language काय आहे आणि C language काय आहे ते? So we are discussing about the high language. Okay. So that is machine independent, portable to the one PC to the other controller, one control other controller. And कुठले असते ते पण बघितले आपण. C, C++, Java, all these are the high level languages. So PPT is along with you. I will not dictate this part. That is I explain that thing. Okay. Is it okay? का तुम्हाला लिहून घ्यायचं आहे? Mahesh, is it required? ठीक आहे. Next. Assembly language. Higher level झाल्यानंतर काय machine assembly language. So in the assembly language काय असते? We have this set of instructions by using the mnemonics. We're writing the code for that. Either in this that code we have the set of instructions or set of directives or the set of registers that will form with the assembly language. And this assembly language is called as a low level language. This is also MCQ asking in exam. Assembly also called as a low level language. So simple code written, move a comma #5, move R1 comma A, that forms the assembly language because it consists of some instruction, and in the instruction we have the mnemonics or the symbols or some directives. आपण last program मध्ये बघितले बघा, DB defined by as a directive used or ORG 004 like that. Easy आहे. काय कन्सेप्ट आहे असेंब्लीचं ते बघितलं आणि हाय लेवलचा बघितलंय. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर असेंब्ली लँग्वेज इज कॉल्ड ॲज लो लेवल लँग्वेज. तुम्ही एवढे लिहू शकता सेंटेन्स. आणि इथं बघितलं लिहिले बघा, द प्रोग्राम दॅट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस कन्व्हर्जन इज नोन ॲज अ असेंब्लर. म्हणजे काय, जे आपलं इन्स्ट्रक्शन सिंटॅक्स लिहिलेलं आहे कन्व्हर्टेड इन टू द मशीन कोड म्हणजे बायनरी फाईल, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ असेंब्लर. दॅट आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन जस्ट नाव. फक्त त्याच्या खाली लिहा सेकंड लाईन मध्ये असेंब्ली लँग्वेज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज लो लेवल लँग्वेज. Assembly language called as low level language. Written, assembly language is called as low level language. And why it is called low level? Because assembly code written is a machine dependent. Means if you are writing the code for 8051, that is used for only that controller. It is not portable to the other controller. But in case of C, C++, what is the code written? It can port to the other controller also. That's why that is a high level language. Got it? Understood? Somebody can reply. Vaishnavi? Saili? Saili is there? Saili,
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Mobile पासून दूर जात जाऊ नका. Be at the place only. चलो. So without wasting time, now we'll see the difference between assembly and the C. That we'll see. हे बाकीच्या गोष्टी काय बघून घ्या. लो लँग्वेज काय आहे ते डिफाइन केले आपण. म्हणजे आपल्या असेंब्ली लँग्वेज मशीन डिपेंडंट आहे, सिंटॅक्स यूज करतो, न्यूमेरिक्स यूज करतो. You will read, you'll understand. Take this difference. Fast, everyone take it. Difference between the ALP is what? Assembly level language. And other is a C, means it is high level language. Make it fast. Take the shortcut also. Things which is important, we have to write it down in the notebook. So difference is important. So we have to write down. Over, done. Difference is over. Krishna?
No, sir.
Done. Okay. So I'll explain this part and then we'll go to next point. So as ALP, just before we are done, so ALP is called as a assembly language, is a low level language. Low मतलब का meaning क्या है? what is coded in the assembly language is for particular controller. So it is a machine dependent. Second point toch आहे की it is a dependent on the system architecture, means it is a machine dependent. But in case of C language, it is high level language, means what is the code written can be portable to the other machines or other controllers. Okay, that's why C is a high level language. Second point that is written, it is independent on the system architecture. म्हणजे we are not considering while writing the C code, either it is writing for the 805182 or it is 805185 or it is for the 8086, means it is a machine independent. Okay, second difference. Next is we cannot port ALP over various platforms. म्हणजे what is the code written in the assembly language, it is applicable to the particular controller. Means if writing the code, simple instruction move a comma 0 hash 5 or move a comma hash 05, it will be usable only in the 8051 operation only. It is not portable to the other controller. For example, 885, 8086 or LPC248 embedded systems. म्हणजे तोच त्याच फक्त कंट्रोलला यूज केलं जाईल. But in case of C, what is the code written? It is applicable to the portable to the other controller also. That is the difference of the third difference. Next, assembler generally do not optimize the code. जे assembler use करतो, the function is just conversion to the assembly to the machine language. It will not optimize. But in case of compiler, it optimizes the code. Okay, that is the meaning in the fourth operation. Then next fifth is assembly code execute faster than C. As we have the set instruction only, it will be executed very fast. But in case of C code, it will take some time for the execution. Then size of the code is very less in case of ALP, and in case of C language, the size of code will be large one. Means what is the hex file created? It requires a large size. When we write the code in the C language, what is the binary file we are generating? It is a large size as compared to the assembly. Simple meaning, addition जर केलं आपण ALP मध्ये 2 bit numberचं, जी code size very small असते. But if writing the code in the C language for making the addition of the 2 numbers, then what is the code file generated? It is a large size. Meaning is that. And last of difference, software development cost is more in case of ALP, but in case of C programming, software development cost is very small. That is the difference. So after this difference, let's go with the code only. We'll start writing the code for toggling. What was the question in the ISC? Toggle the 8 pin port 0. All the codes already connected. सांगितलं बघा जर आपल्याला C type code लिहायचं असेल, we have to use the unsigned character 8-bit characters. Okay, that is A, B, C and R02. जेवढे SFRs we can used, that can be used in the C languages. Okay, if it is unsigned 8-bit A, B, R0 to R7, that can be used as port 0, port 1, like that. 16-bit कुठले आहेत तर unsigned 16 character, DPTR, PC, stack pointer, all these. Okay, single bit आपण use करू शकतो, S bit only. When we write the code, we'll see that part. चलो, write down the first code. Make it port 0. कारण आपण असाइनमेंटचा कोड बघणार आहोत ते, सॉरी नॉट असाइनमेंटचा, IEC चा कोड दिलता एक्झाम. आपण हे बघितलं होतं पण मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स नॉट एबल टू राइट डाउन दॅट. Write the assembly. ALP means write the assembly language code, toggles or make the LED on to the connected to port 0. It's 0 kilo 1 kilo doesn't matter. Please take down that. And we'll see first code in the here, and then we'll copy that. काय code आहे? So I'll draw the diagram here for sake of convenience. So at the port 0, तुम्ही पण draw करून घ्या साइडला. This is my 8051 and this is my port 0. पूर्णच काढतो मी 0.0. P0.1, P0.2, P0.3, P0.4, P0.5, P0.6, and P0.7. So port G required the external pull-up resistors. We have seen why, because of the floating point. So through the pull-up resistors, I am connecting the LEDs, and this is grounded. This LED will be on. I can say pull-up of 1 kilo ohm. So प्रत्येक पोर्टला आहे तो पिनला कनेक्ट केलेला. So commonly I can make ground also. No issue in that. LED आहे था. Aerobic index LED. आता मी सगळे काढत नाहीये. डॉट डॉट करतो मी इथे. Like this we have to draw for the 8. Grounded. This is LED number 8. Okay, pull-up is missing here. This is pull-up. So making LED or making toggling the LED port 0 on off. आणि ह्याला काय कनेक्ट केलेत मी LED कनेक्ट केलेत. ISC ला क्वेश्चन होता एक आपला. अंडरस्टूड दिस डायग्राम कळतंय सर्वांना? हॅलो. So expected to what? We have to write like this code. Have you drawn this diagram?
Yes, sir.
हा. आता लॉजिक काय सांगा मला. LED कनेक्ट केलेला आहे त्या पिनला. पुलअप लावलेलं एक लक्षात ठेवा. दिस इज पुलअप रेजिस्टर. यू कॅन मेन्शन हिअर. परत कळत नाही आपल्याला काय आहे ते. पुलअप रेजिस्टर. वाय पुलअप इज रिक्वायर्ड? वी हॅव सीन इन द चॅप्टर 2. Because pull-up will not be the internal, it will be floating. हा. लॉजिक काय सांगा मला. कसं ऑन ऑफ करायचं आहे आपल्याला LED ला. ऑन करण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल मला. To make it on, काय करावं लागेल. On this port I need to send the high level data. हाय म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे. FF. ओके. किती वेळ ठेवायचं आहे. एक शॉर्ट टाइम साठी. मग त्याला काय लागेल आपल्याला. डिले लागणार आहे. रिले कॉल करूया. आणि परत काय करायचं याला. डेटा 00F टाकला मी. हाय लेवल सिग्नल. परत काय करायचं आहे. लो करायचं आहे. म्हणजे त्या पोर्टला काय करायचं. 00 पाठवून द्यायचं. So port will get high level data. Then the port have some delay. That is called delay. Then port 0 will send the 00H low level data. Again delay code will be there. किती वेळ करायचं हे. एकदाच करायचं आहे का. Continuous. So edge jump. It's not Aya, it's a J always. Edge jump up. पुढे आपल्याला किती. हा कोड नाही. सांगितलं फ्लो फक्त कसं असेल तो. Like this very small code was there to write that. And below that we have the delay program. Okay. So let's write down the code for that. So ORG. Write it simultaneously. 00H. लॉजिक पण सांगितले मी कसं लिहायचं कोड. ओके. आता काय करायचंय मला. ORG नंतर पोर्टला काय करायचंय. हाय लेवल डेटा पाठवायचा आहे. मग कसं पाठवतो आपण माहिती आपल्याला. मूव P0, #0FFH. म्हणजे तो हाय लेवल झाला. LED ऑन झाले. किती वेळ. एक कॉल डिले. मीनाक्षी.
Yes, sir.
कॉल इज नॉट इन्स्ट्रक्शन.
Yes, sir.
हा. ते अजून स्पेस पण द्यायचं नाहीये. मी पण ते मिस्टेक करतोय. ए कॉल इज अ कंटिन्युअस वर्ड. ए कॉल डिले. जसा डिलेचा सिंटॅक्स यूज केलाय तेच खाली यूज करायचं. डिले. नंतर डिले दिला. मग काय करायचं आहे. 0 करायचं आहे. तर मूव P0, #00H. किती वेळ बंद असेल तो. एक शॉर्ट टाइम साठी अगेन a call delay. If written like code like this, it will be only once on off. So make it in the loop. To create loop, we need the s jump. It's j up. Up कुठं असणार आहे इथे. Okay, and then delay program. So delay can be generated by using the timer also. इथं आपण सिंपल एक काउंटर घेऊया आणि जनरेट करूया तरी चालतंय. डिले मूव कुठला रजिस्टर घ्या R3 R5 R3 R7 कुठला घ्या तरी चालतंय. R3 कॉमा हॅश 0 FFH D J हे J बरं का I नाही GJNZ R3 कॉमा M कुठले तुम्ही इथंच लिहितो. काही नोटेशन द्या M1 M2 M3 तरी चालतंय. आणि लास्टला एंड. एंडच्या अगोदर रेट करावं लागेल मला. रिटर्न रेट एंड झाला. कोड इझी आहे का नाही? मग प्रत्येक वेळेस जेव्हा ए कॉल डिले केल इट कम्स आउट ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम इंटर जनरेटर इट विल एक्झिक्यूट दिस. जे डिले 0 होईल इथला R3 मध्ये FF येईल आणि त्याला डिक्रिमेंट करत जाईल टू द 0 झाला का मग रिटर्न बॅक. मग पोर्ट वरती 0 पाठवेल लाईक दॅट. टेकन दिस कोड.
Yes, sir.
महेश, everybody, Krishna, please write all the programs. It is important now. Mahesh is there. Mahesh Deshmukh CR.
Yes,
Ha.
yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do that program. We'll do that only. So I'll use हे last time आपला आहे. Control new, save as port 0. Port 0 blink करायचं मला. Blink or you can say toggle.asm. Save. And I'll add this file by adding right click assembly P port 0 blinking. I'll remove this. Okay, we have not written the code in that, so very fast we'll write the code. Move ORZ 000H move P0 comma hash 0FFH move not move a call delay then move P0 comma कोण सांगते मला सांगा पुढे hash is remaining 00H then a call delay then S jump. हे दाखवतो मी लिहित नाही बट ठीक आहे येतं लिहितो परत काढून दाखवतो. अप कुठे असणार आहे here and you will write delay code here. Our delay code delay colon move R3 comma hash 0FFH DJNZ R3 comma up M दिले आपण तर M देऊया. M कुठे असेल इथे. आणि नंतर रेट एंड स्पेस. द कोड इज करेक्ट आहे का बरोबर? both are executed. I written all. So what is the code? It is correct as per our what we have taken in the notebook. Sorry. आहे का बरोबर?
Yes, sir.
Let's build it. So I need the peripherals. Port 0 I need it. बाकीच काय लागत नाहीये. Go with the step by step. So by default port is set to the FF. Then it's called delay. The PC will come immediately here. See, PC comes. डिलेच काय चुकलंय का आपला? डिले करेक्ट ना? मलाच नाही ऑफ झालंय. लेट्स सी. हा, ऑन ऑफ इट इज गोइंग ऑन. तो बाय डिफॉल्ट इथं दाखवून EPC येऊन गेलेला आहे. If I click run button, it will start blinking like that. And this simple code was asked in the exam for 6 marks. Getting? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So same I can see on the analyzer. Means इथे आपण काय समजून घ्यायचं आहे, कंट्रोलच्या पोर्ट 0 ला LED लावलेत आणि इथे टिक मार्क केले म्हणजे काय झालं, ते ऑन झालेलं आहे आणि ऑन ऑफ कंटिन्यू चालू आहे. The same on the port 0, so we'll get the 50% duty cycle on the our vector analyzer. So I'll kill other things I don't want. I need only port 0. So here is a time delay problem. So I can make it out. So I'll get the exact square error. See, 50% duty cycle square is getting here. Understood? म्हणजे काय होईल, तो ऑन ऑफ होतोय. म्हणजे ते स्क्वेअर आले हाय पल्स म्हणजे LED ऑन, 0 आहे म्हणजे ऑफ. गॉट इट? हॅलो?
Yes, sir.
So in that same I can make it for the 2 ports. काय करावं लागेल मला फक्त चेंज? It will ask make it for the 2 ports also. तर ते काय चेंज करावं लागेल आपल्याला? लॉजिक काय असेल, कोण सांगताय? So what is the port is asked, either port 2 or port 3. I'll put it port 3. मग port 3 फक्त यूज करायचं इथं. And here also make it port 3. But data will be 0 0. इथं काय होईल आता? Call delay spelling is correct. Save, build. I'll remove this part and then only port toggling. तर इथे काय होणार, मग 2 पोर्ट टॉगल होतील. कुठले कुठले? पोर्ट 0 and 3. So take 2 and 3 here and see the code also. See, म्हणजे दोन्ही पोर्ट आता टॉगल व्हायला लागलेत. इझी आहे की नाही मग? सो दोन्ही पोर्टला मी टॉगल करू शकतो आणि इथं मला फक्त सध्या एकाच बघितलंय. सो आय कॅन यूज फॉर द 2 पोर्ट्स. कसं जायचं? गो टू द सेटअप, तिथं पोर्ट 0 ऍड केले, ह्या सेटअप वरती क्लिक करायचं, इन्सर्ट न्यू, मेक P3 आणि एंटर मारायचं. सो आय विल गेट द पोर्ट 3 ऑल्सो. The same signal I will get on the port 1 and the port 2. Port 3. Correct? Got it? Hello? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So आता हे बघितलं आपण 50% स्क्वेअर एवचं. If it asks for the 66%, काय चेंज करावं लागेल मला? So I can make it like flag. So it's going on, Okay. Logic काय विचारले मी आता? So I made it for the 50% duty cycle. So we can write here below that 50% duty cycle square on the port 0 and 3. If I want it for the 66%, इथं काय झालं हे? So I'll get the 50% square wave. कशावरती? 50% on, 50% off. This is called as on period. This is called as a off period in the port 0 or port 3 also. Now I need what? 66% duty cycle on the port 0 or port 3 also and port 3. काय चेंज करावं लागेल मला? What is duty cycle? Duty cycle is defined as T on. जे on period आपला किती आहे T on divided by total T. T on plus T off. That is called as a duty cycle. मी थोडक्यात काय 66% म्हणजे काय आता 50 आहे 50 च्या पुढे थोडा ऍड करावं लागेल हा पार्ट ऑफ दिस. So this will give like this. So T on will be large one and the T off will be small one. That indicates the 66% duty cycle. Understood? हे पार्ट कळला तुम्हाला duty cycle चा? Hello. Have you got meaning of duty cycle? T on by T off. इथे सेम आहे. T on T off 50% मध्ये काय असणार आहे? It will be same. T on is equal to T off in case of 50% duty cycle. But I want now what for 66% duty cycle. कसे चेंज करावं लागेल मला मग? So T on should be increased to the plus half part of the T off. So that becomes 66% of the duty cycle on period. Simple meaning काय? LED will be on for the long time and off for the very small time. T off. Understood? Hello. Meenakshi.
Yes, sir, understood.
Take it below that. What is the port code return? Below that code only write down this. To make the port 03 66% duty cycle square wave generation. Not square wave. Wave generation you can say. It is a rectangular wave. Rectangular wave of 66% duty cycle. And how to make that? We'll see that. Very small logic is there in that. What's the formula? Duty cycle चा T on by T on plus T off. हे total T असते actually. This is will be total T and T म्हणजेच काय असते? T on plus T off time period. Taken this formula duty cycles. Hello. Draw this wave as like this. What is meaning of 66%? Done, Mahesh?
No, sir.
कोड पूर्ण लिहू नका. हे चेंजेस फक्त लिहा एवढेच. हा पार्ट फक्त लिहून घ्या म्हणतोय मी. Below this program, just write down 66% duty cycle. कसं जनरेट करायचं? Make it faster. Already we are late 5 minutes. Taken this. सागर थोरात परवाच बघितले आपण ड्युटी सायकल PWM आठवत आहे?
Yes, sir.
I think you have done this. Check your. Now, how to make on फॉर द 60%. सेम कोड आहे, फक्त काय करायचं, डिले डबल कॉल करायचा. सो मेक हिअर व्हॉट, a call delay 2 times. This is the change in the code only for only on period. Off ला तेवढं एकच ठेवायचा. So that will make the 66% duty cycle. So we'll see code here only, and you can take screenshot of this and write the code afterwards. So I'm repeating, a call delay only 2 times. अंडरस्टूड हिअर. काय केल्याचे बघितलं मी या पोर्ट मध्येच एक कॉल डिले 2 टाइम्स आहे आणि इथं फक्त एकदा आहे बंद केल्यानंतर. सो दॅट विल मेक मी जनरेशन ऑफ द सी. चेंज झालाय वाटतंय, होतंय का बघा तुम्ही. ऑन पिरियड जास्त आहे, ऑफ पिरियड खूप लहान आहे. Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We can see here view on period जास्त दिसतो आपल्याला. Actually, I'm trying to make it stop. कुठे कंडिशन आहे बघतोय मी, पण दिसत नाही मला इथं कुठे. त्याला स्टॉप करण्यासाठी नाहीये. ऑटो शो. It is running only, but it is visible to you. You can understand that. दिसतंय सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो ठीक. So that wasting time. So please take the screenshot of this. But तुमचा code आहे, just write down that below that code is for that. Just adding one a call delay will give the 66% duty cycle. Okay. Then we'll stop it here. Chalo. Shall we stop it here? I'll take attendance and immediately we'll go to your next lecture. Who is absent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deshmukh is absent. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is absent. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is absent. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 absent. 35, 36, 37, 38 absent. 39, 40, 41, 42 is absent. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 absent. And the 51. Chalo, go for next section, please. Sir was there only. This lecture is there. Thank you.